New in Fellow Community, uploading your own videos and play them directly in news articles and pages. The videos can be played by the users without any downloads, offering you a secure way to keep your videos inside the platform. You can add videos both in news articles and pages. To add the video, click Edit to start working on the article. Go to the area where you want to show the video. Choose the Insert Video button in the Editor menu. Select a video from your computer to upload. Choose the desired video size from the drop-down menu. Decide how you want to align the video in the article. And you are ready to insert the video. To finish, publish your article to show it on your website. Your news page is now published, including the video. Readers can instantly play it without any downloads. Make your platform more engaging with offering your own videos. Simply and safely done in just a few clicks.